Pursue peace with all people, and holiness, without which no one will see the Lord. But as he who called you is holy, you also be holy in all your conduct, because it is written, "Be holy, for I am holy." How can a young man cleanse his way? By taking heed according to your word. Who has saved us and called us with a holy calling, not according to our works, but according to his own purpose and grace which was given to us in Christ Jesus before time began. Search me, O God, and know my heart, try me, and know my anxieties, and see if there is any wicked way in me, and lead me in the way everlasting. Do all things without complaining and disputing, that you may become blameless and harmless, children of God without fault in the midst of a crooked and perverse generation, among whom you shine as lights in the world, holding fast the word of life. And you shall be holy to me, for I the Lord am holy, and have separated you from the peoples, that you should be mine.